Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. And this is Muhammad Atif, and this is the summary of today's lesson. Today we started lesson 3, Unit 8 English Student Books, page number 114 and 115. As you know that this whole unit is all about weather and climate. So lesson 3 is about extreme weather. Before we started the lesson, we have discussed the lesson objectives. These are the lesson objectives on your screen right now. Listening activity, listen to weather report, and speaking activity, talk about extreme weathers, and writing activity, make notes. And in language focus, we discussed adverbs of degree. So after that, we discussed the opening question. I asked them to tell me about, is the weather different for each season in your country or no? So yes, in Saudi Arabia, Taif, basically the weather is totally different in every season or each season. Then we discussed about like how good are weather reports. Does the presenter always get it right? So no, it never always get it right, but most of the times the weather reports are quite accurate, and it really help us to decide our outdoor trips or our traveling and our clothes, like how to wear clothes, what to do, like that. So after that, we discussed activity 2, listen to the weather reports and match them with the correct country. So we have these two countries, Colombia and Taiwan. So I've included track 46, which I'm going to include it now. Before I include track 46, I'm going to tell you that I will include it once for the summary purpose, and we have activity 2, activity 3, and activity 4 related to the same track 46. So you can listen to the track multiple times, and then you can solve these activities individually like we solved it during the lesson. But for the summary purpose, I will include it at once. So listen to the track 46.
Track 46.
1.
And here's a quick weather update. Today was a beautiful day, so let's see what it will be like tomorrow. Tomorrow will be quite warm, with temperatures of about 21 degrees Celsius. In the afternoon, it might be a little wet, with some rain in mountain areas. Make sure you have a jumper or a coat if you're going out in the evening, because it will be very cold, with temperatures of 5 degrees Celsius. I'll be back at 8 o'clock with a full report.
2. Good evening and welcome to Global News. Today, Friday the 9th of August. We start with a warning about a typhoon which is coming in across the south of the island. The typhoon will be the worst at 4 p.m. tomorrow, when there will be extremely heavy rain and high winds. The storm should pass by 8 p.m. So please stay indoors during the storm. Temperatures during the day tomorrow will be about 28 degrees Celsius, and it will be extremely humid. The temperature will drop to about 23 degrees Celsius at night. Good night, and don't forget to take...
So that was the track 46, and then we discussed activity 2 and activity 3 one by one individually. I multiple times repeated the track so the students can answer the question, and when we discussed these answers with the student, and then I displayed the answers as well. So here are the answers for activity 2. Weather forecast 1 for Colombia, second one is for Taiwan. Then here are the answers for activity 3. Then we solved activity 4, which is about grammar topic, adverbs of degree. Basically, adverbs of degree gives us more information about adjectives or verbs. Okay, and we use adverbs of degree to describe the intensity of an action, like how much something is completed, or how we have done that, or what it look like to do that action. So these are the actions. Okay, like tomorrow will be warm. Okay, so how much warm? So adverb of degree can tell us how much warm. So we can say that very, or quite, or a little, or extremely. So adverbs of degree gives us more information about adjectives or verbs. Adverbs of degree tell us the strength of something that happened. So that was the explanation of adverbs of degree, and now I'm going to display the answers as well. Here are the answers on your screen right now. After that, we discussed the activity 6, that is pronunciation activity, stressing important information. So in this activity, we have to listen to the track 47, and then we have to underline all the stressed words in these 4 sentences. So I'm going to play the track 47.
Track 48.
A visit with Miss.
Track 47.
Good evening and welcome to Global News. Today, Friday, the 9th of August. We start with a warning about a typhoon which is coming in across the south of the island. The typhoon will be the worst at 4 p.m. tomorrow, when there will be extremely heavy rain and high winds. The storm should pass by 8 p.m. So please stay indoors during the storm. Temperatures during the day tomorrow will be about 28 degrees Celsius, and it will be extremely humid. The temperature will drop to about 23 degrees Celsius at night. Good night, and don't forget to take...
That was the track, and then we discussed all the stressed words, and then I displayed the answers as well. So here are the answers on your screen right now. All these underlined words are stressed words. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much for your participation, and have a good day.